Hi, Chris Albanese, Real Estate Academy of Orlando, back with some more math help here. The next question we're taking a look at is actually calculating the reconciled estimated market value after an appraisal. Now, the appraiser in our example here has done the sales comparison approach, comparing the subject property to 3 similar homes that have sold recently. Now, the appraiser has a decision to make. Once they do their sales comparison approach, if they feel all 3 methods or all 3 comparables are equally important, they don't have to do a reconciliation. It's up to the appraiser to decide yes or no, do they want to give one or more comparables more weight or less weight than the others. Now, typically they're going to use this if they feel one comparable is a lot more similar to the subject property than the others, or maybe one of them is a really good comp but not as good as the other 2. When they do that, they can give a weighted average. Now, the way they do this is they're going to take the number of comparables that they have, and then they're going to divide up a whole number of 100% amongst all 3 of those comparables. So let's go ahead and take a look at the question we have here so we can see this in detail. Now, we've got an appraiser has estimated the following weights to 3 adjusted sale prices. We've got comparable number 1, $230,500. That's the adjusted price, but it has a weight of 40%. Now, the next comparable, comparable 2, has an adjusted sale price of $225,500, and we're giving that one a weight of 35%. And then comparable number 3, adjusted sale price of $216,900, we're giving this one the final weight of 25%. Now, if we look at the weights, we take the 25, the 35, and the 40, and we have a total of 100%. If we've got a different number there, then we're going to have an error. But we're good here. We've got 100%. So let's take these numbers, we'll move them on to the next page, and we'll make sure we'll see exactly what's happening next. All right, now I've got my diagram here, or my chart. What I like to do is just organize it so it makes a lot of sense. On the left-hand column, we're going to have our comparables, specifically our adjusted sale prices. The middle column, we'll put what our weight is, and then the far column, the third column on the right, that will be our column of our calculation, of our math. Then we're going to add all those up at the end. So comparable number 1, let's go ahead and put that in. So that was $230,500. Now that did have a weight of 40%, so we can multiply that by 0.40, or 40 and the percent key, and then the equal sign. Comparable number 2 was $225,500. So $225,500. And that had a weight of 35%, so multiply that by 0.35. And now comparable number 3 had an adjusted sale price of $216,900, $216,900, and it had a weight of 25%. So we can multiply that by 0.25. All right, so now we can take a look at our diagram here. So we've got on the left our comparables, on the middle, which is the weight, and then on the right hand side we'll do some math. So all we really have to do at this point, if you look, column 1 times column 2 is going to equal our answer on column 3. So let's do that now. So column 1, $230,500 times the 40%. It's a little bit clearer there. There we go. And we're going to have $92,200. $92,200. All right, column or next comparable 2 we're going to look at is $78,925. $78,925. That's $225,500 times 35%. And then finally, we've got comparable number 3, $216,900 times 25%. That's going to give us just $54,225. Now, we're not just done yet. What we need to do with this final step is take all 3 of these and we're going to add them up, and that will give us our reconciled adjusted sale price. Let's take a look at that. $92,200 plus $78,925 plus $54,225 equals $225,350. So this will be our reconciled sale price. I hope that answers your question. If you have others, please let us know. Write to us at info@reaorlando.com or visit us online at realestateacademyoforlando.com. Thank you.